Guys, you are about to see some really huge things for Dogecoin, Bitcoin, and a lot of other altcoins, which we're going to be discussing in today's video. I'll also be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I am an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience as a successful day trader, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Because of the demand over the years, I now offer buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in on a lot of different altcoins. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy in so that you guys can buy in as well when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in when all the whales have sold out, so that there's only a short period of time to wait until you see big profits. I then wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we are positioned very well. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And guys, smash that like button if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. Guys, when Elon Musk updated his Twitter profile picture, cryptos went crazy. We saw a lot of cryptos in the green because of this profile change. It's a pretty cool new photo. He's got sunglasses on, and he kind of looks a little bit like Sylvester Stallone in the picture. Guys, I think this means that Elon Musk is going to start tweeting a lot more about Dogecoin, a lot more about cryptos, and really get ready for this brand new bull run so he can set it off right. He has money in Bitcoin. Tesla has money in Bitcoin. Guys, he doesn't want to upset all the people who had money in Bitcoin or currently do. He is definitely going to start accepting Bitcoin as payment for Tesla once again very soon, and I'm sure Dogecoin will follow. Also, something that's pretty cool is in these sunglasses that he's wearing in his brand new Twitter profile picture, there's a reflection of a Doge on each lens. Guys, this means that he sees Doge. He sees Doge in the future, and he sees Doge growing massively in the future. Guys, he knows that he's literally going to place a massive Dogecoin on the literal moon. After that, what is he going to do, guys? I bet that he actually lands one on Mars and a lot of different other planets as well, so that it will in fact be the cryptocurrency of the world. Guys, it wouldn't even surprise me if another company took on Elon Musk's legacy and continued it, discovering other galaxies and also taking Dogecoins to those as well. Guys, we are still in a corrections cooldowns phase. Guys, it is a very long cooldown phase. Guys, I think it is ending very, very soon, especially with the B-word event coming out later on this month where Jack Dorsey and Elon Musk will speak. Guys, the deeper the dip, the steeper the peak. So get ready, have my buy and sell trade alerts on, have some cash on the side, be ready to buy if you need to, and be ready to sell if you need to. My Patreon is incredibly cheap and invaluable, and it's in the top pinned comment. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. If you want to trade cryptos tax-free, go ahead and use my iTrust Capital link in the top pinned comment. Also, if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on yet, I recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment as well. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Crypto experts like myself and a lot of others are actually expecting cryptos to take off, for Dogecoin to take off as well just this week. Guys, I can feel it. I think things are about to blast off, and we're going to be taking a look at the charts here shortly. Guys, because the prices have been so low at such massive discounts, whales have been buying in, institutions, companies, countries. Guys, why isn't that reflecting on the charts? Why aren't we seeing more green candlesticks and more green days because of this? It's simple, guys. It's because it's about to blast off. When we've traded sideways and consolidated for so long, guys, that sets it up perfectly for a brand new bull run. You don't want to have gotten in too late, guys. You don't want to have FOMO and buy in at the uptrend. You don't want to do that. You want to wait for my trade alert when you know that it's a good dip, the perfect dip to buy in at. Guys, some huge news. A brand new article came out titled Bitcoin Price Set to Rebound. Bitcoin shorts on Bitfinex crashed by 25% after record spikes. One analyst in this article states that he believes that a spike is coming very, very soon. Bitcoin is just too low, guys. It should always be above 40, 50,000, guys. It's so incredibly discounted that it's just a matter of time before enough institutions, enough whales buy in. Guys, because we are currently in a bearish market, there's a lot of people shorting cryptos right now. With all the FUD and suppression of the market currently with manipulation, it's not a surprise. But because we had such a good green day, because of Elon Musk changing his profile picture, guys, these people who shorted are going to have to make up for their positions by now buying longing positions, which could very well cause a short squeeze in the crypto market, especially Dogecoin. Guys, as you've seen with AMC and GameStop, these short squeezes can be incredibly profitable. So you want to be ready for my trade alerts and be sure to have the bell rung because I'm going to be keeping you guys up to date on this short squeeze. Guys, cryptos have been down the last several days for a very good reason. It's because of the GBTC. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust share lockup expiration, which just expired. And because of that, I did expect to see somewhat of a crash. And guys, when people see that this didn't affect the market very much at all, they're going to buy in, and they're going to buy in a lot. So guys, with all the FUD and everybody expecting for a huge crash because of this expiration, it's completely normal to see the charts looking like this. However, I think it will change very soon and we'll be on a brand new bull run. So you want to get in before the masses. You want to get in before the others get in because then it will likely be too late. Guys, some more news. Dogecoin development could turn a joke crypto into a useful asset. Guys, as the Dogecoin developers are discussing in this article, they're actually building a bridge between Dogecoin and Ethereum. Guys, this is huge, this is massive, and this will likely cause it to skyrocket. This is so incredibly important because it now allows Dogecoin to use smart contracts on the Ethereum network. And guys, believe it or not, the founder of Ethereum actually says that he thinks Dogecoin is going to become the #2 cryptocurrency in the world, if not the first. Guys, a fee reduction update is coming to Dogecoin. This will make it the #1 competition for other cryptos because it will reduce the fees nearly to zero and make everyone want to adopt it. So they can start accepting Dogecoin as a crypto payment, and their money and their investment can start doubling and tripling over time, just as they know that Elon Musk will cause it to do. I mean, imagine being able to buy a Tesla, a house, guys, really anything, and not have any fees for yourself or the retailer, virtually no fees. Guys, this is only what we know. A lot of these fundamental catalysts and events happening that are going to cause the Dogecoin price to skyrocket. Guys, this is all we know. There's a lot happening behind the scenes, a lot that Dogecoin developers and Elon Musk have planned. Guys, I promise you, he will make Dogecoin the #1 currency of the universe, and he will do everything in his power to see this happen. He's been working with Dogecoin developers for over 2 years now, guys. This is nothing new. He is slowly developing his power, his assets, and his money to literally be the most powerful person on earth. So if you want financial freedom, just like I did when I started day trading, guys, get in before the masses. That's how people get rich. They get into crypto before a lot of others do. And getting in before the masses is key. Never pull out. Never sell for less than you bought in for. Never put in any more money than you can afford to lose because you never want to feel pressured to have paper hands and sell early. Guys, always have some cash on the side to buy the dips, especially when I call out the steep dips on my Patreon. Guys, Dogecoin isn't just a pump and dump coin. It is literally a real cryptocurrency and will be legal tender before long. And I know this because it didn't just crash after the SNL event down to zero or nothing where everybody got out. Guys, everybody knows that Elon Musk is behind it, and therefore a lot of people will remain behind it. And that includes myself. Dogecoin has been around for many, many years, and it will continue to grow with a lot of the other top altcoins. Guys, when Elon Musk changed his profile picture, it jumped. Dogecoin jumped over 21%, as you can see on the charts. If you saw where I called out the steep dip right here to buy, guys, you already made 21% really, really quickly if you also sold at that peak that I called out right after Elon Musk tweeted out that brand new profile picture. Guys, that's the kind of power Elon Musk has. Of course, guys, a retracement was completely normal to see after such a massive peak as we saw. It went back down, right? But when it hit that bottom, we got some more green candlesticks right up. So if you did buy that dip right here as well, guys, we're looking up from here. Guys, after seeing such a massive pump and such quick profits in such a short amount of time, guys, I do often recommend to collect your profits so that you can get in again and position yourself very well again after that and be ready to rake in more profits once again, just as we've seen time and time again on my Patreon. Guys, this reversal that we're slowly seeing form right here, guys, this is very likely the end of the bear market for Dogecoin. Expect to see a lot more green days here just within the next week. So guys, don't be nervous, don't have paper hands, hold strong. Hold with diamond hands. Our corrections phase, our cooldown period is almost over with, and we're about to be on our second massive bull run, so you're going to want to get in before that happens. Guys, if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment. That's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different altcoins, I wait for a steep dip, that rare time to buy in when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more, I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold your position. And guys, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.